Elapix automatically records every order placed through your website so you can track them easily. But if you receive an order outside your website and need to add it manually, here's how to do it in just a few steps. From the sidebar menu, go to Orders and Customers. Then click Add Order. From the window that appears, select the store this order belongs to. This is especially important if you manage more than one store on Elapix. Next, enter your customer details. If this is a returning customer, simply tick Existing Customer and select the customer from your records. Then click Next. For a new customer, tick the New Customer box and enter their information, including their name, email, and phone number. Click Next. Then click Add Product to select what the customer purchased. Choose the product and enter the quantity they ordered. The default quantity is set to 1, but you can change it if they purchased more. If you need to add another product, just click Add Product again. Once you are done, click Next. Now enter the customer's billing address, that is the address where the order is being delivered. If the shipping address is the same, leave it as this or enter a different shipping address if needed. Click Next. Then select the customer's payment method and the currency used for the order. If shipping applies, select the appropriate shipping method from the options you set up under your storefront settings. Click Next to choose the order status. You can mark the order as pending, processing, shipped, delivered, completed, or cancelled. You can also add any relevant notes about the order or customer here. Finally, click Create Order and the order is saved. You'll find it on the list here. Click on the 3 dots menu on any order row to view or edit details. You can also generate a label, create an invoice, update order status, or delete from this menu. And that's it. When you record all your orders on your Elapix account, your overview page becomes a report card for your business, showing you how many orders you've had, your sales trends, and other important insights at a glance.